Hello techies, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the complete process of bypassing the EFI lock on this MacBook Air laptop. Let's get started. Now I'm using a bypassing tool to break the UEFI lock through motherboard, and we do as a professional way. We focus on fast turnaround times, affordable pricing, and reliable repairs. Just honest work to get your device running like new again. After that, our customer even forgot his user password too. Now we can reset that passwords. That's what we all gonna look. After resetting the user password, we notice there are multiple software issues on this MacBook. This can sometimes happen when system files get corrupted or settings don't sync properly. So instead of trying temporary fixes, we're going to do a clean macOS installation. This means we'll completely erase the system and reinstall a fresh, stable version of macOS. This process helps remove hidden errors, improves performance, and ensures the laptop runs smoothly like new again. At Raminfotech, Chennai, we handle all types of laptop repairs and hardware replacements. From MacBooks to Windows laptops, we've got you covered. We've been serving people since 2007 with over 15 years of experience in the industry, and we have 10 branches across Chennai. So if you're facing any laptop issues, just reach out to us. We're here to help. Alright then, goodbye techies. Let's meet in another tech video.